Voters have a decision to make this year, and we're not just talking about who they will vote for, rather how they will cast their ballot, in person or by mail. It's become a contentious topic, with some concerned their vote will not get counted if they vote by mail. So 13 Investigates created an experiment, sending mock ballots through the mail. Would they reach their destination in time? Would they reach their destination at all? Take a look. Are you going to vote in person this election or by mail?
In person.
Probably by mail, I think.
Mail-in voting has become one of the biggest debates this election season.
So you wouldn't trust your vote if you had to mail it in?
Nope. It's just another way of rigging things.
Election officials say if you vote by mail, your vote is safe. But some critics, like President Donald Trump, worry your vote won't get counted. So we're putting mail-in voting to the test. We created 200 mock ballots, roughly the same size and the same weight of the ballot you would mail in ahead of Election Day, to see what happens with your vote. We traveled across Rockford, dropping mock ballots off at 20 random USPS post boxes across the city, addressed to a P.O. box we set up to represent the Rockford Board of Elections building. And because not everyone is going to mail their ballots on the same day, we split the ballots up over 3 days, dropping 100 off on a Thursday. It's been 5 days since we mailed our first set of mock ballots. The United States Postal Service would not give us permission to shoot video inside, so I'm going to go in and check our P.O. box to see how many ballots we have today. Of the first 100 we sent, we have a lot of mail. All of them are accounted for. In fact, by the end of our experiment, no matter where we mailed our mock ballots or when, all 200 of them made it to their destination. We took the results of our experiment to the Rockford Board of Elections. Does that help, you think, give people a sense of security that when I put my ballot in the mail, it's going to arrive where it's supposed to?
If you put your ballot in the mail, I think it's going to get here, provided that you give it enough time to get here.
All of our ballots arrived within 4 business days. Bixby says you should plan for 7 days just to be safe. That means you should send your ballot by Tuesday, October 27th to make sure it arrives by Election Day. However, in Illinois, as long as your mail-in ballot is postmarked by Election Day, it will be counted up until November 17th. So what happens once your ballot gets to its destination? How long does it take to count that vote? Is it tabulated right away? Do you wait until Election Day?
We can tabulate them immediately. We won't see results. We won't see who's voted for who, and those results will not be uploaded until election night.
And for those ballots that arrive after election night, well, Bixby says the election isn't certified until 2 weeks later. So whether you decide to vote in person or by mail, Bixby says one fact remains the same.
Of course, their vote is safe.
And if you are still on the fence about mailing in your vote, you can avoid the post office and drop off your ballot at a special box outside the Rockford Board of Elections or Winnebago County Administration Building. You don't need a stamp. If you're still unsure, the Board of Elections offers ballot tracking, so you can make sure the office got your ballot and counted it. And of course, voting early and in person are still options.